There's another elevator at CityScape Mall. Just see that? The lights just turned on. Elevator number 4. What a beautiful elevator. Look at that. Wow. Same design and stuff. Go to L1. Get off at P5. This guy is trying to use the elevator. It's getting busier now, I think. Let's look up the glass a little bit. We're gonna get off at P5. I don't want to hog this elevator. See, I love that you can see inside the shaft. We're gonna get off here at P5 and let this go. Let's watch it go back up. Oh, it smells like a pool in here. That is so awesome. You can see the piston and the hydraulic ropes. And that's gonna be it.